Today I'll be planting some sweet sugarcane. Yes, I know, no sugar overload. Okay, so I've installed one here. This one is vertical. I'm going to put another vertical one there. Hello there, my garden friends. If you're new here, I'm Natalee from SacredSeedsJA. So, guys, this is the area I'm going to plant my sugarcane. Right in this little area here. I have some banana, tiny banana trees, very small. I'm going to take them out. I have enough banana here on the property, so I'm going to take these bananas out, clear up this area, clear away these shrubs, and plant the sugarcane right here. Not a big spot, but it will do for now. Alright, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've cleared the little area. Yeah, I'm tired. Yes, I've cleared the area and I've prepared some holes, not too deep, I think about 6 holes. Yes, and you can see some roots in some of these holes. Yeah, I couldn't do better because I have some pines here. Guys, this pine is shooting. If I tell you, There are about 20 pines on the property, and they have been here over 100 years. I grew up seeing pines on the property. There's another one in there, and there. A lot of pines. And they just keep producing year after year after year. I'm going to do a video on the pines another time. There is another one down there. It too has fruit. So the roots from the pines actually coming all the way inside. There's no way for me to avoid that. So let's hope the cane will still grow. These will have horizontal. So what we actually do is on the pine, on the sugar cane, you will see some little nodules like this. Yeah. This is where it will sprout from, guys. So this has about two, actually more than 2, 3, and there's another one at the end. So what you do is you put it to lie down like that. Make sure the nodules are up, right? So they'll sprout from here. This one was actually sprouting, and then see the roots are again inside, but that's because they're beside plants. There's a flower tree right here. Okay, so we'll just add a little soil over it. Cover it. Let it do its thing. So I'm going to do the same for these. Let me put the vertical one up. Let me put the vertical one up. It's okay if the leaves are in there, that's okay. Okay, I'll put the others in, and then I'll put some soil over. Adding some wood ash. The earth is very wet. I add some water, but Doesn't need a lot of watering. The earth is wet. Hey guys, I think I'll mulch it a little later on. For now, we'll just leave it like this, and we hope that we have some sugarcane. Yeah, that's it. Okay, thanks for watching.